Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.